Okay. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So I'm going to start like this. I believe everything depends on karma. I'm from Aligarh zone. My name is Vinay Sharma.
Fantastic, Vinay. Fantastic. Wow. So let me mark Vinay present here. Next, whoever is ready can go. Kapil, are you ready? Okay, Kapil.
The facilitator of Aurangabad is Vinay Sharma, and my name is Kapil Verma.
Good one. Very good one, actually, Kapil. Very simple and very good. Let me mark your present here. See how creative you are, everyone. So good. Okay, Kapil is also present. Next. We have Madhulika.
My co-worker is Geetika and this is Madhulika.
You're lucky that the names actually rhyme. Yes, Geetika and Madhulika. That's good. That's good. And after Madhulika, we have Shweta.
I really like to cook pasta, and my name is Shweta Gupta.
Oh,
I know
good.
it's not rhyming,
It is rhyming. It is good.
but still.
And very soon, when we would have picnic or sports day, then everybody we would hunt for Shweta for pastas.
Yes, of course.
Great. Shweta is present. After Shweta, we have Swati.
Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Sometimes I can be crazy, sometimes I can be naughty. I am Swati.
Oh, so we have two naughty women here, Geetika and Swati. Janvi.
Yes. Good morning. I'm as complicated as jalebi.
Oh, oh my God, that was a good one. Okay, let me mark Janvi present. Next, we have Niketan.
Yes, I am as Imarti, crunchy and sweet.
You are like Imarti. Okay, good. And I think it's very sweet, right? It has a different sweetness.
Yes. That's why we all are lucky. Then we have Niketan.
Okay, so Niketan is present. After Niketan, let me call out Shivam.
I am also sweet like Rasgulla, like in Hindi say that.
Okay, all right. So on Diwali, how many rasgullas did you consume?
Like more than 1 kg.
Oh my God.
Really, Shiva? More
Yes.
than 1 kg?
Yes, like they was continuously I was eating for 3 days.
You will become as round as rasgulla then.
As important as salt.
Oh, this was good.
Yes, you can find it when it's there, but when it's not in any dish, then you will feel, oh my God, we are missing something.
True. Very good. Okay. And after Ruhi, we have Neetu.
So I'm like water balls, Golgappa. It's crunchy, it's sweet, it's spicy, stuff, all these things.
Right. And I think everybody likes
Yes.
Golgappa. Wow.
But don't worry, we will not eat you.
Okay, and Neetu is present. After Neetu, we have Mohini. And we are left with two people, Mohini and Sabab.
Am I audible right now?
Yes. Very much clear.
Okay. So I am as sweet as Chandrakala.
Oh, what is that?
Chandrakala is like a imarti, but it is covered and there are a lot of means what should I say dry fruits inside that.
Wow.
Yes.
I think Samreen knows it. She has tasted.
I really like Chandrakala.
Okay.
I also.
Good, good, good. All right. And last but not the least, we have Sabah. Neetu, did I? Yes. Water balls for Neetu, yes. Sabah.
Am I audible?
Yes. Clearly audible.
Okay. So I'm as soft as cake.
As soft as cake. Wow.
Yes.
That was good.
Thank you so much.
Omveer.
Yeah, I'm as smart as the rainy season because as rain comes just for 2 hours or 3 hours, similarly, I focus on the problem for 1 hour or 2 hours. I do not focus on them for more time. Thank you.
Rainy season or rainy weather, Omveer?
It's rainy weather.
Rainy weather.
Thank you very much.
Good, good, good. You're very creative. All right. After Omveer, we have Madhulika.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are we doing? Okay, so I am as pleasing as the wind in autumn
Wow.
because I was born in autumn,
Oh,
and this is my favorite season.
good, good.
Thank you.
And I think these days it's autumn
Yes.
only.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you
Nice.
so much.
Next, we have Shweta.
You, Sakshi. So, as the meaning of my name is white, and that's why I like winter season because the weather is also white, and
Oh.
some places it's totally white with snow.
Mhm. Okay. So this is Shweta who likes the whiteness of winter.
Exactly.
Okay, nice. Next, we have Swati.
Very lovely morning, and I am as jolly as rain.
You're as jolly as rain. What makes you say that rain is jolly, Swati?
Because rain never hesitates to go anywhere, and it drops, makes everybody smile and happy.
Right, right. Very nice thought, Swati. Very good.
Thank you.
And I have marked you present. Last but not the least, we have Khushbu also with us. Khushbu.
Yes, so I'm as colorful as spring.
Nice, nice, nice. Very nice. Okay. So I hope all 12 are here. Then Khushbu.
And what about you, Sakshi?
I am as cool as winter. So I relate myself to it. I'm very cool sometimes. And of course, winter is my favorite season. So I think I would compare